entertaining TV here. I know you guys noticed the vodka back there, and here's why. Today, I'm going to bring you guys Featurepoints. This is a new update. I just released $100 yesterday, and it's November 9th, 2018. I meant to do this video yesterday, but I was really tired. I apologize for that. But this is a $100 Featurepoints release, and I'm just showing you guys the proof. It came instantly. So I'm going to show you all the devices I'm on. So right here, they have it on the computer, the PC. I'm on Mac, and you can do surveys and you can do cash back. If you're wondering what happened to the apps on iPad or iPhone, right here, if you navigate to on the this site, it says try free apps, get rewards, which is true. But now they only have it available for Android, so I was a little bit upset about that, but it's not that bad because I do have a tablet laying around. I actually have a few, so that's fine. Everything's good. But yeah, right here, if you're looking for the apps, they're on here only, which is fine. And I'll go down to the cash method. It's the lowest is $1 and the highest is $1,000, and it's really easy to get that. All you got to do is complete surveys, do cash back. If you go out to the store, it's saving. I'm telling you, it saves you money when you do cash back. And download apps and share your links. Share your links on my platform. You can share them on my YouTube below, and you can share them on Instagram, Twitter. They provide you with a link. And yeah, that's how you make money with it. It's really simple, really easy. I usually try to focus, listen, about 2 to 5 hours a day doing this. My 3 methods. I'm checking. Don't call me crazy. I'm just money motivated. I'm on this. I'm on this. I'm on this. I'm constantly checking and I'm refreshing. Every time you start it over or refresh, new things come up. I even found myself cutting off my devices and cutting them back on so new apps or surveys can pop up. So take my methods, guys. Restart your devices. Check it, on the hour. You don't have to sit on it for 5 hours straight. Just here and there. Just check it. Just like you're out of a 12-hour day, or 24-hour day, what are we doing? Constantly checking Facebook and Instagram. Get Featurepoints to check and see if they dropped anything new. That's my methods, and that's what I use, and that's how I'm having so much success from this. You can earn cash back share rewards, and they have my name available. It's custom Terry. I've been rocking with them for about 2 years, going on 3. I've cashed out probably more than $20,000. This site and website and app has blessed me, and I thank them for it. And I've seen them progress over time. It was a point where Featurepoints didn't have surveys or cash back. They just had straight apps, and I think I helped with that, and you guys did too. And I appreciate that, and I will drop more of these videos every day when I do new updates. So currently I have 26,816, and it is growing. But I just want to show you guys. So I'm gonna do one more screen. Surveys. This is available. It seems like there's more surveys on the Mac and iPad than this, but of course they have more apps here on the Android. Shout out to Android users. I'm one of those. And back over to the computer. This is how you make money with Featurepoints at home online. Alright guys, peace.